Hello everyone, it's me Shadow, and today we're back with another reaction video, and we're reacting to Tikal Burps by luigi157. I will link the original video in the description below. So, let's get into the reaction, shall we? Ew! Oh my god, does really the right kind of sister do that?
Oh, yeah.
Ew! God, cover your mouth when you're burping, woman.
One more time.
Really? It's froze. Okay. Ew!
Oh, yeah. Bye-bye.
Ew! Oh my god, that was disgusting. So if you guys liked the reaction video for today, leave down in the comments below what do you want me to react to next. And the original video goes to luigi157. I do not own the video. I'm just reacting to it, so this is Shadow, gonna be signing out.